Welcome back, guys. This is episode 3 of the $100 to $500 challenge on trading crypto or meme coins, however you guys want to call it, on Bullix. Bullix link early access where I trade on. You guys should be trading on there. It's going to be down below. It shows you all the new coins that are being made, all the new coins that are about to graduate, and coins that have been graduated. So if you're looking to buy any small meme coins that you can't buy on your Coinbase or anything like that, you need to be on Bullix. Bullix is where you're going to buy it, and the link is down below for early access. And you also get a 10% deposit increase or whatever. This episode is pretty good, guys. I highly recommend you guys watch it, watch along, watch my thoughts, my process. And yeah, like I said, pretty good episode. And if you guys learned anything, make sure you guys subscribe. We are getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Also, if you guys have any feedback or you want me to implement anything or you want me to make a video on a certain thing, let me know any questions that you guys have down below, because I will be looking into making videos that people have questions in the comments. So, like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. Watch the video and hit the subscribe button. All right, guys. So this is the next day, but I'm back on trading right here, and this is something that I like. It's called the National Meme Coin Day. So I guess today's the day, and it's looking kind of good. I'm probably gonna get ready to buy in. I just saw a 10 sold buy and a lot of sold selling, but it has a lot of volume. I just wanted to get, like, if it can go like under 20K, I would probably buy in. I'll probably buy in right here actually. Buying 0.1. Ooh, I think I got a pretty good buy-in. Let's hope it can correct itself a little bit. As long as it just, you got 19K, so that's not too bad. Obviously, if we see a dump a lot, we would just sell. Remember, guys, not every coin is gonna be profitable, but as long as you're profitable over long term, that's pretty good. And I'm just gonna hold this one for a bit. As you can see, we seen big massive dips on this one, and it has corrected a lot of times. So see, we could have probably gotten a little bit better entry, but I think we still have a good entry. Pretty good. 20K. So if we just hit 40K, 2x, we're getting out. Remember, guys, I'm going for 2x's. That's what I like. And as you see, we're seeing big heavy buys right now, but we're probably going to see big sells as well, as it just went pretty high. So we'll see if we can get a profitable trade for the morning. Right now it's 11, so it's the first trade that I've seen. It's the first coin that I actually clicked on that I actually kind of liked. And yeah, it could have probably sold over here already, made it like $10, $15, but we'll see if we can at least try to get a 2x. And yeah, let's see what happens. As you can see, guys, we're seeing a little correction again. Remember, guys, not every coin, not everything is going to be crazy. Sometimes you can be wrong and stuff like that. So just remember, all of this has risks, but rewards as well. And like I said, if any of you guys want to trade on the same platform that I'm trading on, there's a link in my description, so you guys can go ahead and sign up, early access, and get on Bullix as well. Bullix is one of my favorite platforms. They do events, they do drops, and all that stuff. So I highly recommend this one. I'm probably going to be selling right around here now. Right here. Come on, give me that sell. Give me that sell right there. Did it sell? I don't know if my sell went in. Did my sell go through? I think yeah. $18. Quick little almost 2x, as you can see, guys. Pretty good, honestly. We went in we invested 21, we made 18. That's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we probably could have made a little bit more. I don't know why it's not selling where I don't know why it's not seeing where I sold at, but yeah, we'll see it come down again. If it comes down again to the lows of 20K, we'll probably go in again, because when there's a coin, for my instance, when there's a coin that has high volume, I like to trade it, sell it, trade it, sell it, trade it, sell it, trade it, sell it, because it just keeps going down, keeps going up, and it has high volume. The volume is slowing down a little bit on this one, so I feel like it's going to start coming down. But once it comes down, people start buying, volume goes up again. We'll see. So let's see, how much are we at right now? So now we are at $160. So remember, guys, we started with 100. We're at 160 right now. It's pretty good. We had some good profitable trades, but remember, we can always lose this, always risks, but try to manage. If I was like, oh no, I'm gonna sell this coin until it hits like 50K or 5x, that's a lot more risk, and long term you can lose a lot more. If you're just going for 1.5x, 1.8x, 2x, you have a higher chance of succeeding long term because you have a less risk, and obviously it's less reward too. But you want to build the portfolio up once you have a lot more money, then you can obviously go for the higher risks and all that stuff. So we'll see if this comes back down to around like if it goes under 20K, I'll probably buy in like 0.05, just a little bit, like $10, to see if we can get a little 2x. If not, we would just not get in this trade anymore and just go find something. So guys, right now everybody's getting scared. They're trying to get out the coin, but this can always bring in a good entry for other people like myself, or this might just be the end of the coin. So right here, if it reaches close to 10K, I will buy in because there's not really too much risk anymore. I mean, it can go down even below it, but it probably just won't. So if I see a green candle here, I'll buy in. I'm not even buying that much. I'm just buying 0.05, but definitely still a good amount. But we're seeing these little wicks being very, very tiny, meaning people are just getting out and nobody really is buying in anymore. But we just saw 0.5 sold buying. We get a little bit more buys in. We will definitely go in. Still getting sells. So this is another coin that I really like. It has high volume. It's big candles, as you can see. Right now it's at 40K. I saw right now it was at 25K, but didn't get in. I was trying to look at it. You always want to do your research before you just ape in some coins. Um, so Pump Fund, I guess, tweeted this out or something. So they made a coin. High volume. Remember, this is like pretty recent. For high volume. We'll probably go in on this one. Point not 2.1. Once it breaks down around like 25K, 20K. If it doesn't, we won't go in because we're looking for 2x's, and this is breaching around 40K, and it's just always coming down. 40K coming down, 38K, which isn't too bad. So if it goes under like, if it goes close to 20, I'll probably buy. If it doesn't, we won't go in it or whatever. I'm just waiting for if I see teen to 18, 19, I'll probably go in. And that's what a lot of people are going to be waiting for too, so they can try to get the 2x. So right here, I'm going to buy in 18. And get ready to sell in case it just goes down to like 16, 17K, but we'll just sell. We don't want to be in here for too long. This one right here, it's a little bit getting a little bit scary for me personally. So if it just goes to like 25K, I'm just gonna sell and get out of here. We just see another green one. Come on, a little bit more, and I'm out of here. I'm gonna sell right about here, and we profited a little $7. So for me, I'll take that. It's not anything too much, but it's getting slow. Once a coin gets slow for me, I don't like it. I don't know why. I just don't like slow coins. Slow coins, I feel like when the coin is too slow, people can read the coin, and when the coin is very fast, it's harder for people to read it. So people are making bad choices. If people are making bad choices, and you already made a good one, chances are that you're gonna make money because they're making bad ones. You're making good ones. So we made a little good choice right down here because like I said, I was waiting for it to get to the teens because I knew it was gonna come back up. So I didn't know, but I felt it. Um, yeah, like I said, now it's just gonna stay around 20K. I don't think it's gonna do anything too crazy. I mean, it always can. Like I said, this coin reached pretty high, like 200K, so it always has a chance. Like I said, if we see it go down below 10K, I'll buy in again. If not, I just won't buy in. Alright guys, so I ended up buying in down here. It touched like the 100, almost touched 100. I think it did touch 100 actually. I bought in, came down pretty hard. So now we're just gonna wait. Hopefully we can get a 2x. So we got in at 210. If we get like 350, we'll probably just sell there. I probably should have bought more. Where did it go? It's right there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. If we reach like 350, we'll probably just sell like 75% of our coin, and we'll just hold a little bit of the rest. We should have sold it here. 355 was agreed sell. I don't know why I didn't sell. Come on, just go a little bit more. Selling 75%, guys, meaning that we are going to sell our initials, and then we're also going to take out a little bit of profit, and we're going to leave a little profit in there just in case if this goes to like a million, it'll make more. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see, because this thing could just die right now. Oof, it's just not looking too good for us, guys. volume's still very high, guys. So once people start picking up on this, people can always buy in, and big buyers come in here. They can make a lot of money. But we should have sold right now. Maybe I'll just get out of my 2x, keep my initial plan like I always do. But this one's a little bit different, guys. This one's a little bit different. This might be the last shade of this video as well, guys. So if you guys are enjoying what I'm saying or what I'm doing, make sure you guys let me know. I'm beginning, I'm new, but I'm trying to learn. And I like recording this and uploading this because I can also be watching myself and just learn off of myself as well. Because I have a better strategy when I'm actually trying to explain what I'm doing instead of just sitting here quietly. Alright guys, so this is probably like the next part of that video. I think that video ended off like 140. I did do some trading by myself and I didn't do too good. Maybe I'll put it in this video, I'm not sure. So you guys can just learn and watch some of the stuff that I did. But right now I've been trading this coin right here. It's called Decoder. I just been buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, and selling. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much, so far I've made $34 from this coin. Like I said, I did lose some money. So right now we are sitting at about 142. Still isn't too bad, but definitely trying to run it up, trying to hit that 200 this video. So let's see if we can do that. Now I am trading with a little bit more, so I'm trading with 0.2 because I'm trying to make it faster instead of just having those slow 2x gains. Hopefully we can do it faster, but let's see how it goes. Alright guys, this is another coin we just bought. It's called Fret. It looks pretty cool. It's like a little frog like this or whatever. We just got an at 40k down here with 0.2 SOL. I'm gonna try to ride it to like around 70k hopefully, or so around there. Try to get a little 2x and then get out of this coin. I might just sell 75% because I feel like this coin could actually like go pretty high. So I might just sell 75%, and if it hits 80k, because it did hit like 100k right now. So it's going pretty high right now. So we'll see what ends up happening. Where is it even at? Like, we can't even see it's going up so much. Oh my goodness. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Alright, so 75% right here. There we go. Took out profits. We just made $56. Oh, we don't make $56 because we still have some in, technically. But we'll see right now how much we'll sell the rest. If it hits like, it's like 100 something K, we'll just sell the rest. We're gonna sell 50% of our shares here. Let's see, there we go. And then we'll just let the rest ride. So we've made around 60 so far, I guess, somewhere around there. Not bad. I really did like this coin. I mean, it just looks cool. Alright, so we have around 0.06 left. It's not too much, not anything too crazy. Remember we entered in with 0.2 and we were at 0.5 or something like that. So now we are back at, let me see how much I'm at. I am at 160, so we're at 0.72, and we still have a little bit of SOL in here, so 0.05. So we don't have anything too crazy left in there, but still have a little bit. Alright guys, so I wasn't recording, but I just traded this coin. It's called Human AI. I saw it literally right here at 30k. It just exploded, and then I saw a great entry down here. I got in around like 45k, 46k, and I just sold around 90k, 85k. So we made a little bit, $32 basically, which isn't too bad. Yeah, so now we're sitting at around, I think like around 190. So we are getting close to the 200 mark. I'm looking at other coins right now. I'm seeing this one right here, Gorp. I was gonna go into this one too at 0.2, but I'm just not really liking it. I'm not really seeing a great entry. This human one was really good. I like their website. The website is pretty cool. So this is one thing about this one. Their website is cool. It's it's like it's different than the other ones. So that's why I think it has a lot of potential. It's not just one that doesn't have nothing on it. And yeah, so this is another good one that I was gonna enter in. I have a little touch like 20 something K, but I wasn't paying attention to it because I was focused on this trade right here. I could have held this one a little bit more and made probably like a little bit more, but it is what it is. We got our 2x's. Remember guys, we are sticking to our rules where we're doing 2x's, and that is what's making us a little bit more profitable than if we just hold the coin forever. if I would have held this coin and damn, look at this coin right here. If I would have held the coin and it would have just went down and down and down and down, and I never sell the 2x, then I could be risking a lot, and I don't have enough to keep going. So I gotta make my balance big or my capital big before I even go into that. But we're almost at 200. Let's see how much we're actually at. Like 192, guys. So remember, guys, this is episode 3. We started with $100. We made we made $10 in the first episode, which is not that great. And we went to like around 150 in the second episode. Then I did trade a little bit more. I did lose a couple of trades, but now we're back at 190, which is amazing. Let's just keep going, guys. All right, guys. So I just did this trade right here. This was a bull. I got in. It didn't even tell me when I got in. I sold before it even told me how much I got in, but I knew it was like somewhat good. So we got 43%, so not too bad. Probably could have held it a little bit longer, but I was just trying to get a little bit of a W. And I did do some other trades as well. I was doing Pika or whatever. I was just buying and selling real quick, like how I always do. We also did it for Daisy right here. So Daisy we made $6. Pika we made a total of $35. I even did this one, which I made $17, and then right now it's sitting at obviously. If I would have left my runners, I could have made a lot more. But I didn't. Let me turn on my light. And yeah, so now we're sitting at over 1 soul, guys, which is absolutely amazing. Remember, guys, we had ups and downs. Today wasn't looking too good. We did take a couple of L's. But overall, we are doing pretty good. And as you can see, we're sitting at around $228 right now. That's amazing, to be honest, guys. I'm a beginner trader. I've never traded before. I'm a beginner, like how I said. Every trade that I used to have before, I would not think, and I would just trade, and I would lose. So this is something that's like, wow, I actually did it, and I feel kind of good in myself. So this is probably going to conclude the episode, whatever episode this is. We're halfway to 500, guys. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible with this. I don't want to let you guys down, but you know, anything can happen at any time. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure you guys subscribe.